113.
113, yeah. Brilliant.
So,
Okay. Yeah, what, do you have any more questions?
So this thing that we're doing only applies in division.
Yes.
Okay.
Kind of. Well, this isn't like division. This is just a question. This could just be a question.
Yeah.
But
it's a method with
yeah,
division.
it's just a method of of multiplying it out.
Okay.
Another way, I don't know, another way you could do this is if you had a big fraction. Do you know how we might convert this into a improper fraction or top heavy?
Yeah. Convert it. You put the flip it with the around 4. It has to be the.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So, what would it be? Do you know? It would still be over 4.
Yeah, it'd still be over 4.
But the 27 would need to go on the top.
Yeah.
Within the 4. So 27 times 4. Well, luckily we did all that over here, didn't we?
Yeah, 113.
So actually this converts straight into 113.
Yeah.
Because we have 27 lots of 4 plus a 5.
Yeah. So if it was a question, it says first do this one, and then this one, and then for question B, it says convert to a improper fraction. You can just use the answer that you got. Okay.
Because we've already done the hard work. Yeah, we did the 7 times 4 plus the 20 times 4 plus the 5, which is the exact same method as if we'd.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
So there's one use for it. But yeah, they might just crop up when you're doing other random questions.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so what I had planned for today was do a little mini recap on what we did on Friday, and then back to how we did it a few weeks ago. I've got these 4 worksheets that we can work through. So I think it's roughly 36 to 39, page 36 to 39.
Okay. Yeah, it's solving equation and factorizing.
And factorizing and writing formulas as well I've got. So we'll do the little recap first, and then you can choose one and we'll work through one of the pages.
Okay.
Sound good?
Yes.
Okay, so
which one of these are proportional?
Which of these are proportional?
Okay. 9.
If it's easier, you can put a little tick next to the ones that are proportional, or a cross, or just tell me and I'll tick it and cross it.
Okay. Okay. They have to be the same number that can be together.
Yeah.
So they have. Yeah.
So this one, and this one.
Yeah.
It is?
They're proportional because 7 times. Yeah.
Yeah, brilliant, because there's 7 times between them. What about this blue one? Next.
No.
No? Why not?
Because 6 can go into 36, but 1 times 6 can't
6 and 7, yeah.
Yeah.
So not that one. What about the one next to that, this pink one?
Yes.
It is?
Yeah. Because then 23, 9, 27, 3. Yes. Wait, 6, no. 6, 9. No, it's not.
So 9 into 20 to 27,
yeah,
what's that?
Multiplied by 3.
3, and then this one is...
Yeah, 3 times No, because 3 times
No,
3
it's not.
is,
Yeah. Brilliant.
um,
It should be 69, shouldn't it, if it was times 3?
yeah, this one is.
That one is. Yep, that's double.
And no. 3 times, no, it's not, because that's 3 times 11, which makes 33, and this one's 2 times 10, so it's not.
Brilliant. Spot on.
Yeah.
Really easy.
The amount of water you use, W, is directly proportional to the number of showers you take, S. A standard household has 3 showers a day and uses 150 liters of water in total. Find the equation linking these two together. Okay, leave that paper.
Remember how to do this, or roughly how to do this?
Yes.
Good.
Okay, so we can use the K.
Yeah, we use the K thing.
Yeah, so 150, so we need to do this. 150 equals K times something. K times something. So I need to find out what
What's it times by?
K times 125. No, 20. No.
Have a look for it. It might be in the question.
Okay. 3.
3, yeah, because they have 3 showers. Okay.
And then when we do the 3, we need to do divide them by 3.
Yep, divide both sides by 3. Brilliant.
Divide 150 and 3 by 3.
Yep.
I got 50 and 1. 50 and 1.
Yeah, so we've got 1 times K on one side and 50 on the other.
Yeah.
So K is just equal to 50. And then this says find an equation linking them together. So we rewrite this as
thing K equals 7. Find an equation linking these two together. So they have to multiply. That has to go up to 150.
yeah, so so the equation that we write linking them together is just W equals 50 times
50
S.
times 3.
Not times 3. Because it was only times 3 when the amount of water that they used was 150.
So another number. What do we need to get to?
So I just
My 5.
this is an S. I should have picked a better letter.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah. S.
Times S. Yeah?
Yes.
Because now, if let's say you told me, I just made these numbers up by the way. Let's say you told me that your household has 4 showers a day.
Yes.
You could quickly work out, well, the amount of water you approximately use is 50 times 4 showers, which is 200 litres.
Yes.
Yeah, can you see how that's quite useful?
Yeah. So you can just divide it by how many there is. So you could divide it by 5. 150 by 5 to get. So any number. So.
Yeah, so this number here, I could have picked any number to get any number of K.
So if this was a 6, yeah, you would divide it by.
If that had been 6,
Yeah.
6 showers is 150 water, then we would have divided by 6.
Yeah. Yeah. So
And we would have got 150 over 6 is K.
So okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So then we'll try the next question. It's exactly the same, just a different context.
Okay. The amount of homework you complete H in a week is directly proportional to the average score you will receive in exams at school. Students who do 7 hours a week of homework achieve exam scores of an average 75%. Find the equation linking the relationship. Okay. So we need to 75 is the
S.
yes,
Yep.
75, and then equals K times 7. K times 7.
So yeah, you could write it either way, to be fair. So I could either write it S is proportional to H, so 75 is equal to K times 7. Or you could write it the other way around. It doesn't matter. It just depends whichever way you wrote the two letters at the beginning.
Yeah.
So yeah, so 75 is equal to K times 7. So what's K equal to?
I'm doing the K equal. I need to do
The division, it is a decimal, you're right.
I'm doing the method that we did in the thing. Okay, 7 made 1, 7, 1, 3, 4, 2, remainder 6, 2, 1 second.
Yeah, no problem. Got loads of time.
2 remainder 6. 40, 50, 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 7, 1, 1, made 3. I just realized this division that I'm doing is going in circles when I'm doing the 0.
Is it like what we did before?
Yeah,
what we did this morning?
Yeah, it's just
What a coincidence.
What I got so far is 10.71428571, and then I just noticed it was going around.
It goes round circles. So what you write then is, what did you say it was?
10.71428571.
2857. Oh, and then that 7-1 is the recurring.
Yeah.
Goes in.
Yeah.
Okay, so how we would write that is you put a dot at the beginning.
Yeah.
And then a dot at the end to tell people that everything between the dots is all recurring.
Okay, so 7 and 1. 7 and 5, I mean.
Yeah, so you'd write it like 7.14285 with 2 dots, a dot on the 5 and a dot on the 7. If the number had been 10.12121212, you'd write that as 10.12 with a dot on the first that starts with the recurring and a dot on the last that starts recurring.
I didn't get the answer yet. It was still going.
No, that is the answer. That's the answer. Or you could have had